So here's a quick video on how to get all of your LinkedIn contacts out of your LinkedIn account, download it into an Excel spreadsheet where you can search, filter, sort, etc., and reach out to your important connections. So to start with, go to any page in LinkedIn, and on the top of your LinkedIn toolbar, you'll see settings and privacy. Now, it's not the most intuitive place to go to find all your connections, but if you think about it, LinkedIn stores all of your data, and it gives you control over that data, including the ability to download it. So that's where we'll go to download all of our data. Now, once you're here, you'll scroll down to the section where it talks about how LinkedIn uses your data, and you'll see a link for getting a copy of your data. And we can select that link, and you can download everything if you want, but all we care about are connections. So we'll go ahead and select connections and then request to have LinkedIn send that to us. Now you can see from this example that I've already done the request, so it's now available. It's about a 10-minute wait time, so once we get that, we'll go ahead and download the archive. And we'll unzip it. Usually you just click on it, whether you're on a Windows or a Mac, it works pretty much the same way. And then inside that zip file, you'll see a file called connections.csv, and in my case, connections 2, because this is the second time I've done it. So double click on the CSV file. That should open that up in Excel. And you'll notice that you have several columns of data that represent everything about your contacts. And what we'll do is just highlight or select rather all of those records and click the filter button in Excel. I'm on a Mac, so it might be in a little bit different location on a PC, but look for the filter button, and notice that gave me drop downs now for each column. So if I click on the company drop down, I can then just search for whatever company that I want. So let's say I want to find out all my connections in Nike. Boom, noticed how it filtered that list to just show the Nike connections. And of course, then I can drill into each one that I might care about. Now, LinkedIn in this case didn't have email addresses available for each person. But let's say, for example, I had a buddy who was looking for a job at Nike and had gone and applied at a certain department. This gives me a great list now of people that I could reach out to and hopefully be influential in his job search by giving him a good recommendation. So hope that's been useful. Great, quick, easy way to get all of your contacts out of LinkedIn, shove them into Excel for searching, filtering, and connecting with the people that you care about. Thanks, everyone.